I am showing you how to create Classic Workspace in AutoCAD. At first, we need to give a command ribbon close. Now we just click on here and click on show menu bar. Again, we give another command short hyphen toolbar. We are giving a name called draw. Choose the option show. Now right click on here to choose more necessary toolbars from here one by one. At first we choose dimension, then find text, then layers, then modify, then properties, then standard, and finally text. Here is an image. In this image, I have written the process. I will give the link of this image in description box. Now we need to save this workspace. For this, just click on here and save current as, give a name and save. We can switch here anytime when we need. Just like this. Thank you everyone.